What if I told you that the software you're using right now could have been free? And not just free of cost, but free for anyone to share, modify, and improve. This is the radical idea behind the GNU project, and it changed the world of software forever. Let's take a look at how one man's vision sparked the free software revolution. In 1983, a brilliant computer programmer named Richard Stallman stood at a crossroads. Frustrated by the increasing restrictions on software use and distribution, Stallman decided to launch a movement that would forever change how we think about technology. His goal was simple: to create a completely free operating system that anyone could use, share, and modify. This was the birth of the GNU project. But what exactly is GNU? For starters, it's a recursive acronym that stands for GNU's not Unix. While Unix was the dominant operating system at the time, it came with restrictive licenses. Stallman wanted to create a Unix-like system, but with one key difference: freedom. GNU was designed to offer users freedom to run, study, share, and modify the software. It wasn't just about making software cheaper, it was about making it open. Stallman's vision went far beyond just creating a free operating system. He wanted to build a new philosophy of software development: free software. But what does free really mean? Free software is about four essential freedoms: the freedom to run the software, the freedom to study and modify the code, the freedom to share it, and the freedom to distribute your modified versions. The GNU project wasn't an overnight success. Stallman and his team faced countless challenges, from technical difficulties to a lack of funding. While they successfully built many components of the operating system, there was one major problem: GNU still lacked a kernel, the core of the operating system. In the early 1990s, a young Finnish programmer named Linus Torvalds developed a kernel, which he named Linux. This kernel, when combined with the software created by the GNU project, finally completed the vision of a free operating system. While often called Linux, the operating system we know today is actually GNU, Linux, a combination of Torvalds' kernel and the free software tools of the GNU project. The GNU project wasn't just about building a free operating system. It sparked the entire open source movement, laying the groundwork for projects like the Apache web server, Mozilla Firefox, and even the Android operating system. Thanks to Stallman's vision, we now have access to countless free and open source tools that power the modern world, from smartphones to supercomputers. The story of the GNU project is a reminder that one person's vision can spark a revolution. Richard Stallman's quest for software freedom continues to influence millions of developers around the world. So the next time you use an open source program, remember, you're benefiting from a movement that began with GNU.